the role of judiciary. Okay, right? As we discussed in the last class, the judiciary will be, generally it is the agency which ensures protection of laws and constitution. Protection of laws and constitution. So it means it will be protecting constitution as well as laws of the land. It means the political system which is operated in the country, it has to operate within the confines of the constitution. No agency shall be having the power to encroach upon the constitution. Okay. Suppose if any agency violates the constitution, the judiciary plunges into action in the form of, what is that? Judicial review. What is that? Judicial review. Judicial review means what? The judiciary scrutinizes the laws enacted by the legislature and executive orders passed by the government. Okay, so it scrutinizes the laws enacted by the legislature and orders passed by the government. For what reason? Whether are these in compliance with the constitution or these are in the contrary to the constitution. Okay, you will test whether the laws are compliant. Compliant means whether they are according to the provisions of the constitution, or these will also be identified or scrutinized, examined whether these are against the constitution. So that activity is called as judicial review. Okay, so in this way the judiciary will protect the constitutionalism in the country. What is that? It will protect the constitutionalism.